Good morning, all. Camelback Trading 2724 and the pitfuturestrading.com. Coming to you this Monday morning, March 30th. We're looking at the last 2 days of the market profile here on Window Trader of the SPY ETF. And right now, for the first time in a while, we are a market in balance that's looking for more market-generated information. Remember, we had an inside day on Friday, right? So it should make for very interesting when we come out of it. And right now, we've been trading in balance, in value, both around the POC from Friday and where we opened and settled. So I'm going to try to keep this one short. Let's go over destinations and a game plan for this morning. So right now, for the first destination on the upside, it would be our 9 wide at 254.05. If we open above that, that becomes a downside destination. Then above that, we have Friday's high of 260.81 and then a weekly high of 262.80. Above that, we have that vacuum up to 271.08, which is a daily high. For the downside, we have the afternoon pullback low, which was F's low from Friday of 252.20. Then below that, we have Friday's low of 251.05, a daily low of 249.05, and another daily low of 239.75. So obviously, our destinations have some, far and wide apart until we get more market-generated information. So what is the game plan for this morning? Well, again, inside day, inside value, inside balance. The market's telling you to wait for more market-generated information. The one trade you could possibly take in A period, if we're to trade down to F. Now, again, I'm in 16-tick increments, so they don't look as far away. But that was your afternoon pullback low. It's in balance. It's still in value. Again, the worst of risk-reward trades. You can take that trade, but if accepted below F period, which is 250.20, I'd be very careful because then Friday's low is only $1 away, and if you take that out, it's an inside day down. So you can take that trade and use your out as A's low. As far as a short play, again, I don't want to short it near POC. I don't want to short it anywhere in this level. Do you want to take one possibly D's high? You can, but that's not much of a reference point to me. I think you're going to get some decent chop inside of M period. Remember, look at what M period did. We traded almost the entire day's range again. So you should be getting some tremendous chop in here. I'm not really a big looking for a short really at all at these levels. The better short I would take is if we do take out Friday's low, then I want to get on board. Right? If you take out Friday's low, which is 251.05. Well, inside day down, I would think you're going to at least get down to the 26 low, which is 249.05. So you have $1 right in that play, right? And then below that, you have the 239.75 level. So that would be a short I would look to take if we take out yesterday's low. So those are two very early plays. We still have just over an hour to go prior to the opening. Again, there's no harm in letting market-generated information form prior to taking that first trade. So possibly a long at the afternoon pullback low, out if accepted below, and a short below Friday's low. Okay, so now let's go to the charts. I'll just show you the weekly and the daily. Now remember, we stopped the one-time framing down on the weekly, right? Very important, very good. They had a chance for an outside week up. I would have been surprised if we got it. We did not. The bears said, nope, we're not doing that. I'm still calling it down to balance for now in the weekly. And then in the daily, again, we are one-time framing up. 4 days, right? The gap is my main focus below, but the important thing as of right now is this inside day from Friday. If you take it out from the downside, like I said, Thursday and Wednesday's lows are certainly going to be in sight, right? And then below that, you have the other low where the gap starts. If, however, you're able to take it out from the upside, then Thursday's high should fall rather easily, and then you have that vacuum up to the 271 level. The most important thing when you come in Out of an inside day, whether to the upside or downside, you go with that trade, but just as importantly, you monitor it for continuation or lack of. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.